Brian from Rove Motorhomes, Mansfield. Today we're going to have a look around this 2007 Swift Suntor 580 PR. This is a 2-berth with 2 seat belts, and it's based on the 2.2 litre manual 5-speed Fiat engine. Weight of this 3,500 kilograms. You can drive this on a standard car license, and the overall length of this one is just 6.32 meters. So nice and compact, fit on your drive. So let's take you around, see what we've got. So you do have an awning canopy. It's got the extra security handle and your electric double step. There's a main socket for this side, and that's access to under your bench seat from the outside. As you can see, paintwork's in great condition for its age. And then coming to the rear, you have the bike rack there, and it also has a reverse camera. Keep moving around. Same on this side, great condition. There's your mains inlet. Storage there for your gas bottles, big enough for 2. Your water inlet and your toilet cassette. Just continue around. There we go. So let's go around, let's have a look on the inside of what we've got. So as we step in, looking from the front, facing backwards, pick you up, and then looking from the back forwards, go down to your cab. There we go. Showing you around. Seating. Nice. A couple of storage lockers either side. And as you spin around, you come to the kitchen area. Nice worktop. Does have the extra fold up just there. Got your sink and your mixer tap. And underneath that is your fridge. 3-way one. Freezer compartment as well. Moving across, separate oven and grill on this one. On top, 3 gas, 1 electric. And then just above that is your microwave. Does have the extractor fan as well there. So, and then as we look at the seating, long enough to sleep on as 2 singles. Also makes into a large double that you can see on the photos.